What could possibly be better than cookies? How about cake mix cookies? These are complete with the sprinkles. Could you guys think of any better flavor? Try them out and tell me what you think down below. Now let's get started. Okay guys, so these are the simple ingredients you will need to make these fun cookies. 1 box of cake mix is going into my bowl. Use whichever flavor you like. It's going to give these cookies their rich cake batter taste. Next goes in the oil. I'm using coconut oil because I knew I was going to be eating all of these cookies. I tried to be a little bit healthy. Finish them off with the rest of the ingredients, the vanilla extract, baking powder, and the eggs. You'll want to give this a good mix before adding the sprinkles so they won't color the batter. Now for those of you new to my channel, be sure to subscribe and click that notifications bell so you won't miss out on my weekly unique videos. Once the dough is all formed, go ahead and add all of those sprinkles. There's a lot of fun color here, but if you guys are able to get those jimmies with no artificial color, I think I would prefer to use those next time, but these are a fun little treat, especially if you're having a bake sale. My cousin Sophia and I used to have tons of bake sales when we were teenagers, and these were always the first to sell. Go ahead and incorporate everything in and place these right onto your parchment lined baking sheet. Make these whichever size you like. You know me, everything jumbo size. The bigger the better, so keep that in mind for your baking time. These took about 15 minutes in a 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven. They're so soft in the middle, but I must mention I forgot about my second batch, and they baked until crispy golden brown, which actually have a really nice taste to them as well. So bake these up to your liking, soft or crispy, whichever you choose. These are always going to be everybody's favorite. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Check out my website or the description box down below for this complete recipe. Thanks for watching, guys.